Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create mouth-watering food posters that grab attention instantly, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to design stunning food ads in Canva, step by step, and the best part. You can do it in just a few minutes, even if you're a beginner. From choosing the perfect layout to adding irresistible food images and catchy text, we're going to turn a simple idea into a professional-looking poster that sells. So grab a snack, and let's jump right into Canva. Alright, after opening a new Canva project, let's go to Elements and type grunge. Let's go to Filters, and let's choose the red-colored photos. Choose any style you want. Let's use this one. Increase the size to cover all the page. Place it like this. Go to Elements again. And type black gradient. Let's remove this filter. Click Clear All. Go to Graphics. Let's choose this one. Go to Flip and click Flip Vertical and place it down. Let's add new page. Change the background color to black. And go to Text. Type your text. Let's change the font to rustic. Print it stamp. Increase the size. Let's place it in the middle. Duplicate. Let's type another word. Let's adjust the size of the text and select both of them and rotate 90 degrees. Let's increase a little bit the size and download. Go to Share Download as PNG with transparent background. Let's increase a little bit the size and choose just the second page. Go back to the first page and go to Apps. And type Transform Image. Choose this up and choose the image that we just made. Drag the text from the bottom like this. Click Add to Design. Let's increase a little bit the size. Place it like this. Let's go to Elements and let's use an image of burger photos. Let's use this one. Decrease the size. Place it here. Go to Elements again and type Drop Shadow. Graphics. Let's use this one. Decrease the size. Place it here. Go to Layer and click Send Backward. Go to Elements again and type Light. Scroll down. Let's use this yellow lights. Increase the size. Go to Layer again and send backward. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe my channel.